In today's video, I'm going to teach you managing Google Cloud Storage buckets with the Python SDK. We'll move from setup to everyday operations so you can confidently create, list, upload, download, and clean up buckets and objects. Start by opening your command prompt or terminal and installing the official client library. Run pip install Google Cloud Storage. If you're working in a virtual environment, make sure it's activated first. It's also a good idea to upgrade pip to avoid dependency issues. Before you write code, make sure authentication is in place and the necessary APIs are enabled. In the Google Cloud Console, enable the Cloud Storage API for your project. For local development, the simplest approach is to use a service account key and point the Google Application Credentials environment variable to the JSON file. Alternatively, application default credentials via gcloud auth application default login work well for quick testing. Whichever you choose, confirm your account has storage admin or equivalent permissions. With credentials ready, initialize the client in Python. Import storage from google.cloud and create a client. You can rely on default project detection or pass your project ID explicitly for clarity. This client is your gateway to all bucket and object operations. To create a bucket, pick a globally unique bucket name, choose a region or multi-region location, and select a storage class such as standard, nearline, or archive based on access patterns and cost. Use create bucket to provision it. Keep in mind, location and naming are difficult to change later, so choose carefully to minimize latency and egress costs. To verify your environment, list existing buckets with listed buckets and print their names. Seeing your new bucket there confirms your setup and permissions are correct. For uploads, get a blob handle from your bucket, set the object name you want in cloud storage, and call upload from file name with the path to your local file. You can optionally provide a content type to ensure correct metadata. Organize objects using prefixes like folder, subfolder, file.xt to simulate directories. To download, reference the same object name and call download to file name pointing to a local path. Make sure the local folder exists first to avoid errors. To see what's inside a bucket, iterate list blobs. Adding a prefix filters results so you can navigate your folders without pulling everything at once. When you're finished, delete the bucket. Buckets must be empty before deletion, so remove all objects first, then call delete on the bucket. Use caution. Deletions are permanent and require proper permissions. That's it. With installation, authentication, client setup, bucket creation, listing, uploads, downloads, object browsing, and safe deletion, you're ready to manage Google Cloud Storage from Python.